Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mahdi Mashrafi from the Food Biz Talk. I hope you're all doing excellent. So in this video today, what I'm going to be talking about Otter. Otter is a delivery platform, and what I think they do, well, what I assume they do, I have looked into it. They basically, where you have a tablet, they have, for example, if you're using third-party delivery systems such as Just Eat, Uber Eats, or Deliveroo, instead of having three tablets, Otter basically gives you one tablet and you have all three platforms on there. So they contacted me, they reached out, well, I seen an ad on Instagram really, and it's something that I kind of need because my Uber Eats tablet is kind of messed up and the Deliveroo one is completely off, my Deliveroo system. So I found it very convenient, plus I know they got a competitor called Deliverect, and Deliverect have been given a lot of really good case studies of their delivery partners who use them. So I assume they're using the same sort of technology, and this one is much cheaper. As as I don't have to pay anything for 3 months. There's no upfront cost. There's nothing. They gave me a coupon. I entered onto the payment and I'm gonna hopefully get a printer and a tablet very soon. So I seen that offer and I spoke to the person, one of the sales rep or something, and I just had to go with it. So I've got two takeaways, but I just decided to go with one, as the other one everything seems okay. But however, if it goes well for me, I'm definitely going to integrate it with them. And they also, if you look at that, they give you more insights on your food and menu. They help you track business metrics and also forecasting. So what I'm going to do is hopefully get it, and then I'm going to set her up and I'll be doing a review and my thoughts on it. They're a big company apparently. They have offices in Dubai, in America, etc, etc. So yeah, I'll be looking into this for sure. Alright guys, that's my if you guys want to try it out and you're in the UK, the link's in the description. So yeah, I am excited to see how it goes, and I'll definitely be giving an update hopefully. Alright guys, if you like the video, drop a like and a subscribe. Until next time, peace.